Accurate pH measurements are essential in many fields, and proper calibration of your pH meter ensures reliable results. Before you begin, make sure to clean your pH electrode thoroughly to avoid contamination. Next, prepare your calibration solutions. You'll need 3 standard buffer solutions, pH 7.01 and pH 10.01. Now start the calibration procedure. Begin by placing the electrode in the pH 7.00 solution, allowing the meter to stabilize. Then calibrate with the pH 4.01 and pH 10.01 solutions in sequence. Once calibrated, exit calibration mode and check the readings for accuracy. It's crucial to handle the electrode properly during measurements and store it correctly when not in use. Remember, periodic calibration is key for maintaining accuracy, and electrodes may need replacement over time to ensure peak performance. By following these simple steps, you'll achieve accurate pH measurements every time.